So anyway, on my tomato seedlings, I think I planted about 20 cells of tomatoes in the, I guess that's called a 1x2 cell. But anyway, I planted about 20 cells of tomatoes from my seeds that I saved last year. And I think it was somewhere around 11 or 12 of the cells didn't come up immediately. Now, granted, today's Saturday, so tomorrow would be 1 week since I planted them, but many of the other seeds have already come up in that same tray. So anyway, I thought I'd uncover the entire tray of seeds. Then I got to thinking, I've got a 3D printer. What could I do kind of creative? I like tinkering with that 3D printer. And I thought, what could I do kind of creative to maybe make a dome to go over those individual cells that hadn't come up yet? So anyway, what I did is went into Fusion 360 and created a little dome. And so as I turn this, you'll get kind of an idea of what this dome looks like. It's just basically, this is the bottom of it right here, and this is designed to fit inside that cell. And then it's got arches that go up here, and I got rather creative with it and swirled it around so you can see kind of like a windmill style look at the top of it, just playing around with it to make it look better, and poked a hole through it that wasn't necessary, just seeing how far I could press this whole 3D printing thing. But anyway, that's designed to basically allow you to slip the corner of a Glad sandwich bag, just a little light Glad sandwich bag right over it, so that the corner is sitting right here and you're draping it over the sides. And if you look at the sides of this, right there you can see that that's notched. So it's notched on all four sides like that. You can see it there. So what that allows you to do is pull over a Glad sandwich bag and then slip a rubber band on and let it fall into that groove, and then you can trim off the excess. So anyway, I made that and I printed out 12 of those, and here's what it looked like once I got them installed. Here's a tray showing those, and they just set down right inside the cell, and so that's an empty cell under there. And once I press that down into there, it basically seals that cell up, very much like having the top on it. Helps keep that top moist and humid, and so it worked out really good. I mean, they fit in there, they fit in the cells good, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Here you can see a little bit of the rubber band on that one. That one's not pushed down in the tray quite as far. You can see a little bit of the rubber band on some of these, but anyway, that gives you an idea of how those work. Those will just set over top of that cell, and hopefully that cell will come on out. Just in case it was a problem with the seeds, I also went into each of these cells that didn't have anything and replanted some more seeds into there. But anyway, I may be jumping the gun. Those might have come on out, and they probably will come on out in the upcoming days. But anyway, I just thought, hey, play around with this 3D printer and see what I can create. And it worked out really good. I was very happy with the results.